Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome back to another video. So today our topic is how to create a tab view in SwiftUI. So first of all we have created a project, and here we need a 3 tab view. So for every tab, when we click on any tab, we have to go to a screen. So for that we have to create a 3 screens. So first of all you have to go to file, new file, and we need to choose SwiftUI, and name for that we are using order view, and we can change the name here, order view. The next screen we need is account view, and the last one we need appetizer view. So we have created 3 screens. So for that we need to remove this, and we need to use tab view. Okay, so in tab view we need to have 3 options. First one is home, second one is account, and the third one is order. So first one we need to use appetizer view, and second one we need order view, and third one is account. So after appetizer view we need to use dot tab item, and in tab item we need an image and a label. So for image we need to use system image, which we will get from SF symbols, and we will use text. For text we use home, and for image we need home as well, home or house. So here you can see we have a first item here, which is a home view with a appetizer view. So we can copy that, paste it here, and paste it here. So you can see we have a 3 type items with the name of these 3 things. So we need to change that to order view, and the last one is account view. Okay, and we need to rename it here, order and account. Okay, also we need to change the image of that as well. So we need to check the name of image in SF symbols. So for that we will use this image for account. So for order we need to use bag. We're using this one. So here you go. We have a tab bar with three multiple views, and when you click on any of these, it will show an empty screen of that. So that's all for today. Hope you learn a new thing, which is a tab bar view. So if you need more relevant videos related to iOS and SwiftUI, just feel free to comment down below and we will create a next video on that topic. And thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Happy coding.